In the future, our cities will be much more than just places to live in. The future is here, and it's real. Introducing the new Murabba, the world's largest modern downtown. Designed with people at its heart. Helping make Riyadh one of the top 10 most livable cities in the world. And at its center, a new icon, the Al-Mukaab. The world's first immersive experiential destination. A gateway to another world. At a scale that's unprecedented and unforgettable. Where you'll feel wonder, amazement, and your heart race. As you dine with gentle giants. Explore a world of magic. Or live on Mars. Where your retail experience is completely reimagined and you feel at home in another world. This is the new face of Riyadh. A gateway to another world. New Murabba.